welcome back to the Madcast. This is me being beautiful. There's Saurabh on the foreground of my screen at least. There's Nidhi, Bhavya, Rutvik, and Siddesh. And I know it's been quite a while since we last recorded or uploaded a podcast, but I mean, we are students, we are broke, and currently there's a pandemic outside. And since we did not want
Not the
to
best
participate in
situation.
this season of, yes, it's definitely not. And since we did not want to participate in this season of Black Mirror, we decided to stay home. And
Good one.
finally, we're trying, thank you. We're finally trying to get back on track. Hopefully, this works. This is all on much of an experimental basis. So, yeah, hope you'll enjoy.
Yeah, yeah, it's been a while, but it wasn't supposed to be this long.
Yeah.
Honestly, didn't
Yeah.
think it would last this long.
Yeah, that's what she said. Anyway,
Don't
moving
steal
on.
my jokes.
No. Anyway, so we were supposed to record an episode. I think in like the start of March, but we know what happened in March.
Lol.
Yeah. So, I mean,
So, we
These-
skip the
these
next
are-
2 months entirely.
we have been
Yeah,
forced to
July.
skip the next 2-3 months entirely, and now we're in
Yeah.
July.
Yeah.
Half the year has gone, so I don't know. It's been 6 months. There's 6 more months of this. Next every month we are unlocking a different level of Jumanji. So I don't know what July has in store for us.
Something great.
Something good,
Let's
I
hope
hope.
so.
Yeah. Anyway, so
That was sarcastic, but okay.
well, ठीक है, we can do with a bit of positivity, even if it's misplaced.
Yeah.
But yeah. So today,
yeah.
so today I was thinking that कि okay, जैसे मैंने बोला कि 6 महीने से we are just getting some news कि ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. So this pandemic, of course, it was the point of focus like from March until April, and now it's still there, of course, but it has become a part of our lives कि we are not thinking about it consciously. We are just focusing on the newer things that are coming up every day. And
Right.
Yeah.
this pandemic is still the biggest threat that is out there. But now we are like sort of, starting
Used to it.
Getting used to
yeah,
it.
getting used to it, even like learning to live with it.
Mm.
But it has affected our lives in it was very drastic in March because
Drastic.
yeah,
Yeah.
because all of us were just told to just stay at home, and we didn't know we were told ki, so for example India went into a lockdown 22nd of March. We were told that we'll be allowed to go out by 14th of April, but that didn't happen. Then we were
Right.
told it was supposed to be the first of May. That
That-
didn't happen. The
Kept
30th
getting
of May.
extended.
That didn't happen. Yeah. So
Hmm.
June was finally the month that we actually like got out for a couple of days, but now we are back in it. So rather than just talking
Yeah,
about what this has, of course, all of us have, even the people that haven't had any mental illness before or don't have a history of
Yeah.
stress or anxiety, even those people are having a heightened sense of like normal level of anxiety. It was here, but now it's like here. So we are living in a heightened state of just all of us are anxious on some level or another because this is not normal. We didn't expect to go through this in our lifetimes,
Yeah.
and I hope we have to just
I mean-
go through it once and not again in the future. I hope so.
Yeah, I
But
mean,
yeah.
I really wanted to be a part of something epic in my life, but like not this.
Not this.
I
Not this
wanted to be like,
Not this kind of epic.
I mean, this is some history textbook type of shit. But
yeah,
like, I don't
we
want
I
it
was gonna say
anymore.
that we are in history textbook content, but I don't want to be in history textbook content.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly.
At least not for this reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean
Could have been
the-
something like
the memes are amazing. Like
I
Oh,
know. Oh my
yeah.
God. Those are the best. That is what is keeping me going.
Yeah, so
you know,
the-
like, at least wo to hai.
I mean, a lot of us would have thought, once this pandemic happened, the memes would just take a back seat and our sense of humor would just go out of the window. But no, we are owning this pandemic in terms of the memes as well. I mean,
Right.
the coffin dance
Yeah.
is the meme of the year. So just
Yeah.
basically 2020 in a
Oh my
nutshell.
God.
So
Hmm.
so
Oh yeah,
today
by the way, a random fact about Oh, okay. Go on. Go on.
No, no. So I was thinking today, rather than like I'm getting all the negative things out first, because today I really want to focus on some of the good things that have been happening during this pandemic, and in general, how in the past and even in our lives individually, sometimes how bad things give rise to good things that change our lives in a good way, or have changed humanity
Every
in a good
coin
way,
has like two sides.
something like that. So anyway, Rohan was saying.
Right.
A random fact about the coffin dance, actually, the meme.
Yeah.
So apparently, it turns out it originates from a community wherein death or like funeral is actually a very elaborate party because they celebrate basically sort of freedom, you know.
Oh.
So yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Oh, okay.
pretty
So it was
amazing.
legit like a celebration.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
So what they're celebrating is that it's basically the person is going to meet God, right? Is going to meet their maker. So
Ah.
so in the coffin,
Right.
it's the
Naruto.
yeah, it's a lady. So उस lady का जो
Oh.
लड़का है, he had organized this particular funeral, and when he was interviewed, what he said was, no, sorry, I'm not sure. I think it was his daughter, but what she said was, I wanted my father or I wanted my mother. I'm not sure if it's father or mother, but I wanted my parent to dance her way to a maker. So and on top of that, this music is not new. It's just a remastered version of a
Yeah.
2010 called
Astro.
Astronomica. Yeah. So because Astronomica.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Astronomica.
when I first heard this, I was like, this is not new. ये सुना हुआ किधर तो वो हेरा फेरी में सीन है ना गोलमाल है भाई आपको गाना
It's a
सुनेंगे यार.
bop. Holy shit.
So
It is pretty bomb.
yeah. So anyway, so okay, that is a funny thing. But talking about the actual positive things, let's talk about how we have had the Black Lives Matter movement. I mean, of course, it was going under the bit of a
Yes.
radar before, but after what happened in Atlanta, I think no, Minneapolis. What happened in Minneapolis?
Minneapolis.
It just blew up, and it blew up in a good way. Of course, we are seeing scenes of violence and people breaking into stores and stealing stuff, but it is a revolution. I'm not saying ki it is supposed to be
Yeah,
violent,
of course. On a
but it is,
global level,
but,
that too.
but it is bound to turn violent because it's a revolution after all. And I think my net is sort of
Exactly.
iffy, but yeah. So Black Lives Matters is there. Then regarding this pandemic itself, there are so many vaccines in development simultaneously. So just to give our listeners some context, our viewers some context, a vaccine generally takes years to develop, if a vaccine can even be developed for a particular virus or even basically any disease. So, for example, it took us decades to get over measles. It took us decades to get over smallpox. We still don't have a vaccine for HIV/AIDS. HIV, which causes
Yeah.
AIDS, which HIV, this was discovered in the 80s, 1780s. So, we just 30, 40 years on, we still don't have a vaccine. But this novel coronavirus, we discovered it only in the end of last year, December of 2019. But it's just been, this is 7th month of
We're like
2020.
7 months.
Yeah, just
Right.
7
Yeah.
months.
7, 8 months.
Wow.
There's so many vaccines
7
that are,
months.
not just in development, but a lot of them are also in the human like trial phase, which is like people
Trials.
are actually getting, means that there is actually hope that
Sure.
we might have an actual vaccine, and that
Yeah.
too as quick, as fast as maybe by the end of this year. I mean, of course, now we are living in it, the pandemic, but if we like get a once we have a vaccine, and once we like have enough vaccine in like all of us, enough of us, and this might not be a issue. 10 years down the line, we might look back and like, तभी क्या सोच के रखा था रे, लेकिन एक साल में आके चला भी गया. It's like, of course, it's a life-changing event for all of us. But
Yeah.
it has given rise to this a revolution in medical technology where we are having a virus, or we may have a vaccine this soon, which is, I think, is a
Remarkable thing.
remarkable achievement from like a human perspective.
This is a very
Yeah.
big achievement, but then even when you talk about like very like root level achievements. Basically, लोग कितना ज़्यादा aware हो चुके हैं about the whole hygiene concept and people को लोगों को ये पता है
Washing
कि हाथ
hands.
धोना जरूरी है.
हाँ, exactly.
You have to
और
wash
मतलब
your hands
रास्ते पे मुतना is not okay. Like
Okay,
just
Yeah.
or like
simple
spitting on the
stuff
roads.
like that. Yeah, it's,
I mean-
it's
I mean,
not okay. That's
Yeah, that's just bare minimum stuff. Like washing your hands was people. A lot of people weren't doing this bare minimum stuff. As you come from outside, just wash your hands. Wash your hands before
Right.
eating. Wash your hands
Yeah.
after eating. A lot of people weren't doing that, which is shocking to begin with. But at least now they are doing it, and
Mm.
people are wearing masks. People are carrying hand sanitizers everywhere they go. Of course, a lot of us are not going out
Yeah.
anyway. But whenever if people are
if need be,
need be.
we're carrying masks and gloves.
Yeah, and you go to a supermarket, there are these disinfectants like sprayed upon you. Your
Yeah,
temperature
yeah, yeah.
checked, your pulse is getting
Right.
checked. So
That beep beep. Yeah.
yeah, so start में all of this was kind of scary because I was this was in April, I think.
It was very new.
It was very new and
And like the whole world was like affected, you know.
it was new and
It
it
was
was
very
kind of scary
scary.
because I'm driving, I'm looking towards my right, towards my left. All the shops are
No.
just shut. There are
Yeah.
no people.
There are like no vehicles.
Yeah, there's handful of people on the road. And even when you like go to a store, you have to maintain a distance. You have to keep like 1.5 meters per distance or something like that.
Hmm.
But now
They
it
check
has
the
like now that we
temperature
have
also.
sorry.
They check the temperature also before.
Yeah,
Yes.
and the pulse as
Yeah.
well. Yeah. So like we said earlier, like Nidhi said earlier, that we are sort of getting used to this now. So it is not as unnerving as it was like 2 months ago.
Right.
So how long? So this is going to keep on happening. That more and more the stuff is going to become normal for us.
Yeah.
Like March was way more harsh than what it is right now. Like March बहुत धीरे धीरे भी pass हुआ सा लग रहा था and after
Yeah.
March time just like sped up like nothing.
Yeah, March and
Yeah.
April were the
And
more
also there's a
testing.
news.
Right. And it was like pretty harsh कि like क्या हो रहा है यार घर पे बैठना पड़ रहा है इतने साल में कभी
Very
गए नहीं है.
depressing
Very
for
depressing
everyone.
and right.
And I mean, I feel that was mostly because of the fear of the unknown. Because like
Yeah.
we had registered that हो गया तो मर जाएंगे.
हाँ.
And at this point, we've seen enough people go out. We've been outside, मतलब, outside for shopping, for groceries or whatever. But then we've been outside. We know how to take care of ourselves. We know how to like not be
Avoid
as
it.
hats.
Yeah.
I mean, it's
And
still
There's been
I mean, it's
news
the
these days that
what news?
wow, it is spreading through air.
Yeah, that
Oh,
I saw
airborne.
in the very
Yeah.
I
beginning,
saw an
airborne
article
disease,
today.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, if it's airborne, then a lot more of us have it than we know. And since like 80% of the cases in India are asymptomatic, we will probably never even know that we had it, and it went.
yeah,
Came and it went.
Yeah, and it went.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. So as Ron was saying, it's bit of it was more of an unknown back then, but even now it is still a big unknown. But for whatever reason, people have just started pretending that the virus doesn't
Talking
exist.
about it.
Mm.
which I'm okay with.
Lockdown
Honestly.
and issue किया है, people are just roaming around
Yeah.
and they don't even wear
Yeah, that's
masks
dumb.
properly, not even covering their nose.
Covering the nose is just covering
Yeah,
the mouth. I
they
mean,
wear
what is
chin
this?
masks.
There was this meme कि
They-
like you have to
they
wear a
wear the
mask and
mask.
not a chin guard.
And like when they're talking, they take it down, and I'm like, that's when it happens. That's when you should have it. Oh, it's so annoying.
And yeah, I mean, it's just we've like so. I think this comes from like this has a huge part coming from generations as well, because the people who are about middle age now, so or above middle age now, they feel like they're, I guess, like entitled to more freedom in some way, shape, or form.
Oh yeah.
In the sense that I mean I'm not talking about those Instagram videos of Karens in US parking lots not
Oh,
wearing masks. I'm talking about
don't
people
even
here.
start.
I'm talking about people here.
We're
That-
talking about the
yeah.
positive stuff.
Like
Karens are not part of this.
yeah,
Yeah.
my bad. Let's move on. So positive stuff. Let's start with. I mean,
Let's
we've
let
already covered a few basics actually.
Yeah, I mean, let's just stick to the theme of pandemics, right? Let's talk about for example, let's take the example of the Black Death. Okay.
Right.
So, in a
Black Death,
nutshell,
right.
basically, what the Black Death was, it was the second pandemic of uh, the disease plague. It was basically in the mid 14th century, and it lasted in Europe. It lasted for like 5 years. So
One
this,
of the worst and
Yeah.
like biggest pandemic.
Wow.
yeah. So this was like so
It
deadly.
killed almost 200 million people in Europe.
Holy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Wow.
yeah. So
That's
just
more than
imagine.
the population of countries, I'm supposing.
Oh, there are
Yeah.
there are a handful of countries with that big a population.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So
मतलब पूरा country मर गया. So holy shit.
anyway,
You simplified it way too much.
But
उसको
but yeah,
उसको
but that's what it was.
ऐसा
Right?
बत्ती जलने में टाइम लगा नहीं थी कहाँ से ठीक है, it's okay.
But this is a very good topic that Saurabh has taken up because that plague is the reason we have like sewage systems or the concept of
Yeah.
cleanliness.
Yeah, so
Right.
where that comes from the fact, so back then, of course, we as in humans, of course, we had no idea of what causes diseases or what causes illnesses. Okay, we didn't know that there are these little microorganisms that spread diseases. They get inside your body and they live in dirty places like these sewers, your garbage. So basically, it's spread by the rats and the mosquitoes, right?
Excreta.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
back then there was in Europe at least because medieval Europe can't expect anything. But yeah, so back in medieval Europe, there was
I'll be
no,
back in a second. Okay, you guys continue.
Yeah. So there was no thing as a sewage system. So people just used to dump their garbage onto the roads, kal raat ka khana, their poop, their pee, everything onto the main road. There was just no centralized sewage system. So imagine you're walking down the road in London in 1350, and on top of you falls this bucket full of garbage on your head. You have some small cut on your neck.
I
on your
can't
hand, something.
imagine London like that. Can you?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, of course I
Yeah.
can.
neither
When you
do
hear
I.
London,
Yeah, the reason that London looks like what it does now is because
yeah,
they invaded us. Yeah. Otherwise it wouldn't have looked the way it does right now. Anyway, moving on. Yeah. So imagine you had a little paper cut somewhere on your body. A little bit of it gets inside your body, and you die a couple of weeks later of some random infection, and you don't even know what the fuck happened there. So, and that was a real thing. People used to die of small paper cuts and small cuts, things that we wouldn't even think of much of right now because अभी हम कुछ हो गया, कुछ cut लगा, betadine लगा के भूल जाते. Because there is no chance of infection, and even if we get an infection, we have antibiotics. Antibiotics wasn't the thing back then. So, so what people actually used to believe is like plague used to happen to a certain person because of foul smell. So basically what foul smell is, yeah. Of course, they were right in the way that foul smell comes from excreta and all those things. So where these mosquitoes and rats, they breed, plague spreading vectors basically. But they didn't know that it wasn't actually the smell, but what is causing that smell. Yeah. So back then, you have seen the photos of those doctors and images, illustrations of those doctors with those plague doctors, the
Crow-like
black,
beaks.
the crow-like beaks and all.
yeah.
So in that big beak, there used to be herbs, there used to be aromatic compounds, which used to like give out perfumes and basically a fragrance in that general area. So the doctors were thinking that if we keep ourselves away from this foul smell, we'll be protected from the plague. So that thing, just that thinking that having ourselves smelling good, having ourselves being good, keeping our garbage, disposing of our garbage properly, having sewage systems, all these things gave rise to the modern age. For example, the perfume industry came out of it. So perfume is basically it's two words: perfume, personal, fumigation. Fumigation basically your fumigations.
Ooh.
So personal
Okay.
fumigation gave rise to perfumes. Cities started adopting central sewage systems. Another, I think this is a bigger shift, like it was a paradigm shift sort of a thing. Up to that point, a lot of people in Europe, majority of people in Europe were like quite religious, but not in a way that रोज जप करेंगे ये करेंगे. Religion, the fact that God was a real thing for them. Religion was like very close to them, and but imagine you are in like 1347 London, okay? You know 12 people, and within a space of 4 years, out of those 12 people that you know personally, 4 have died. Just imagine that what of the amount of toll that is going to have on you.
Yeah.
Of course, somewhere down the line or sometime during that, those 4 years, this question is going to come to your mind ki I'm doing all this, I'm doing what's expected of me, I'm going to church every Sunday.
Being religious,
Yeah,
praying to
basically,
God,
yeah.
being faithful.
So despite all
And
of this,
still,
why
yeah.
am I having to face this? It can be मुझे खुद को हो गया और मैं मर गया. If not that, maybe someone in my family passed away. Maybe my closest friend passed away because of this. So from that, of course, some people are going to ask, ki, what is the use of this if it's not like actually I'm dedicating such a big part of my
इतना सब
life.
करके भी अगर यही होना है मेरे साथ, तो what's the point of it?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm dedicating such a big part of my life to this, but it's still I'm getting affected. Maybe I don't want this. So from this thinking, a lot of the Illuminati. Now, Illuminati, we consider it like it's some secret society, but what Illuminati really means is just people
Conspiracy.
who are. Yeah, so what it actually means is just people who are more scientifically approached than
Yeah.
the traditional
Religious.
approach.
Religiously approached.
Yeah. So it gave us people like Isaac Newton, Copernicus, Galileo, Da Vinci. No, Da Vinci and all those. So basically, and all these are just the 4 names that I've mentioned, and just think of the impact that only these 4 have had on humanity, just their contribution. So the plague definitely played a big part in it, and what the point of all this is that it was the biggest disaster, probably the biggest natural disaster in human history up to that point. But it still gave rise to so many things that are still central to our life today. We wouldn't be the way we are right now if that hadn't happened.
If that didn't happen.
Yeah. So basically, like before we continue, what I would like to say is that since all of us, and I know most of the people that are listening to this, that will listen to this, are being affected in a mental way by this current pandemic. So the point is that this is going to lead to something good. Definitely it will. So rather than just thinking that when is it going to end, is it going to end? Are we going to get affected by it? Think of it as a way that this will end and it will give rise to something that will completely change our civilization forever. Yeah. Some good things. Another good thing I would like to say, we touched on this before, we haven't really been able to develop vaccines as fast as we have during this period. Of course, we still haven't developed a vaccine, but it has never been this fast. And I think and it's happening on an unprecedented scale. And the speed is just mind blowing if you really know how vaccination works and all. Anyone else would you like to join in?
Yeah, I mean, on the point is, it's actually amazing how fast. I mean, even today there's news ki no, we won't be able to develop a vaccine this year itself, but we will be developing in 2021. That's 1 year.
Yeah.
The last time we developed a vaccine,
That's
it took us decades. Yeah, so amazing speed. And so one more positive thing that has come out of it is while a lot of us, or rather all of us to some extent are struggling with this, a lot of us are also learning to be more patient and learning to adapt to
Yeah.
more new things,
Yes.
like because
Yeah.
all of us are college
Evolving
students
in
and
a way,
in a way,
almost.
yes.
Right.
I mean, and I feel I feel that this would be a good thing that it would alter the corporate culture that we have been used to
Mm.
Hmm.
for ages together.
Mhm.
For the better,
Yeah.
because now that we are forced to stay home, we can't really stop working or learning. And most of us
Mm.
are like all of us are students, and most of us have been working in some way, shape, or form either. So basically, what this is going to lead to is us working, or like basically our situation changing the one way our lives have been set up
Hmm.
for the better. Because I honestly
Hmm.
am not the kind of person who would go to an office every day for 8 hours and sit there and be happy with it, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, but
Okay.
this is definitely a good thing for some, not for all. For example, I would
Yeah.
like I would like my workspace to be different than my living
Right.
space,
Same.
Right. Same.
Me as well.
and
I
it's just
need the
not.
environment to be
Yeah, and
different.
it's just it's not just about going to a place and working. It's also about you get to meet new people there who broaden your perspectives, who with which
Mm.
you learn newer things, and it is nice, that it is nice to have a routine that you'll get up in the morning, you'll
Yeah.
freshen up, you'll have your shower, you'll carpool your way to work or like train or whatever. It's just part of the normalcy that we have, and I think a lot from like after this, a lot of it is going to be work from home for a lot of people.
Yeah.
Definitely
Hmm.
more than what it
Yeah.
was
A
before.
lot of companies have realized कि घर से भी काम हो सकता है,
होता है.
so a
Exactly.
lot of
Exactly.
A lot of
yeah.
because they don't have to rent the office space, right? Because a lot of the companies don't actually own the buildings
Yeah.
in which their offices are.
Yeah.
There is a
Exactly.
renter space, yeah. So I think
Hmm.
it'll happen to
But
a
I think
certain
this is a
extent,
very
but I
continue.
don't know if everyone will be on board with it. At least I'm not on board because
Exactly.
I would prefer
Yeah.
going to an office place rather than being home and
Yeah.
working.
Me too.
Yeah.
Same.
It's a
yeah,
very
no, I
subjective
Yeah, it's subjective.
Exactly.
It's
topic.
like a convenience
I
which.
would prefer doing from home.
and yeah,
Okay.
no, I agree that I mean there should be some sort of a difference
Difference.
or a marking space between your workspace and your home, but then or like
Hmm.
your space of leisure. But then
Oh.
that's what
At
this
least at
change
most
will
a
happen
corner.
only to. Sorry.
No.
Okay.
Continue.
So I mean, this will only happen to
Sorry.
an extent. There's no way that like
It's going to
the
change
Everyone
the
is
thing
going to
completely.
adopt
Yeah, yeah.
it.
Bec-
exactly. So
because
it might so happen that weekly schedules might become a thing that you have to go
Ah.
to an office for a week and then the next week you're home or something like that, which I think would be great, honestly.
Yeah.
yeah,
Because
and like
I'll tell you my thinking behind this. Because
Hmm.
you remember the way schools used to function with like secondary and primary. They use the same classrooms just at different times,
Yeah.
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 right? So that means you're using less resources in
Hmm.
a way,
With
and
more
that also
output.
means that exactly it's efficient, and
Okay.
also it while not really stopping the social aspect of it, of meeting people or
Ah.
exchanging ideas face to face. So I think that is something that could happen, which would be amazing if it did. To
Another
begin with.
factor I think is that not all jobs can be work from home essentially.
Exactly.
For example,
Hmm.
let's say if you're a photographer, you're a nature photographer, तुम घर बैठ के क्या nature photography करोगे?
Hmm. Or like manufacturing
Yeah, you're in
place or
manufacturing
whatever.
industry.
Yeah.
Of course,
Hmm.
जो अभी हम लोग बोल रहे थे, we were talking from the IT industry and like the office job because all of us have been part of one office
Corporate
job or another.
thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
basically corporate. But
Hmm.
your stone masons, your blacksmiths, your goldsmiths,
One.
can't do all these things at home, right? So of course there's going to be a shift in the
Yeah.
industry, but again, I think it'll be just down to personal choice that if you want to do it that way or if you don't, like we want to stick to the traditional way. Similar
Correct.
to this is I would like you touched on this before about this schooling system. A lot of us, not us yet, but we are going to have online lectures very soon. and Bhavya, I think even Bio, I think already has her online lectures. But and this
Yeah,
might be the
I've been
theme.
having for like couple of months.
Yeah, so this might be a thing for the next year or so. And the thing about online learning is that
Ah,
how effective is it really? Because
I
there's
don't really
there's
think it is,
very
in my opinion.
yeah, because there's one part of it as the same as the office one, that you want your learning
Sorry.
space to be welcome back. That your
Sorry.
learning space has to be different from your living space. Some students might feel that, no, yeah, this just being at home is just not for me, and studying is just not for me, attending school, because all of us have been in school. तो स्कूल में क्लासरूम्स में भी टीचर रहते टाइम भी हम लोग पूरा कभी अटेंशन देते थे. Just imagine teacher being in some other like area of the city, just in front of you over a camera. Your attention span is
Yeah.
just not going to be there. A lot of
Yeah.
people would say that it's just down to the student, but we are humans after all. तो कितना भी sincere रहे,
Yeah.
you're just not going to pay attention completely to this person
Yeah.
on the other side on the screen. किधर तो
Yeah.
10 किलोमीटर दूर है.
And basically, that person can't really do anything if you're not paying
Yeah, exactly.
attention.
There is no, we know कि कोई consequence नहीं है. मतलब मैं इधर स्क्रीन के सामने
exactly.
स्क्रीन की तरफ देखता रहा, बट मेरे दिमाग में वो डीवीडी वाला साइन चल रहा है, सब कोई नहीं करता हुआ.
Which will
Nobody
never
knows
hit the
anything about it.
Which never,
corner.
yeah, we never.
We can
Oh, that
afford
was
it.
such a pet peeve.
Office fans.
It's still a
वो
pet peeve.
चल
Like
रहा है,
apart from
nobody
the
is going to do
academic
anything.
perspective,
So,
like जब अच्छा okay बोलो.
so this is positive in a way that we can skip lectures whenever we want, which we do anyway. But yeah,
Also, not everybody can afford online classes.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
need to have a set
Yes.
Yeah,
Right.
that's one thing. I
So-
mean,
That's a very big problem.
Like online classes is a brilliant concept, but hardware किधर से लाएगा if you
exactly.
don't have it?
I mean,
I mean,
like,
if-
I
People
know
don't
we're
even
studying.
have connections, like net connection and network where they
Correct.
live.
And like for example, Wi-Fi भी है घर में, लेकिन you have 4 kids, तो like 4 phone या फिर 4 tablet लेना possible भी नहीं है genuinely.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And I mean, I know we're sticking to the positives, but I think it should be like pointed out कि
दोनों sides point out होना चाहिए उसका.
हाँ,
That's what I think.
दोनों साइड से कि like अगर जल्दी करोगे या फिर मतलब अगर ढंग से ये प्लान नहीं हुआ, मतलब अगर ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स लेना ही है, इफ इट इज डिसाइडेड कि अगले साल ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स लेना है, तो वो मतलब अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके, जिस तरह से गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में टेक्स्ट बुक्स फ्री में दी जाती थी, उस तरह से वो आकाश टैबलेट का कॉन्सेप्ट याद है लोगों को?
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
वैसा
That came
अगर
and
कुछ हो
went.
सकता है,
हाँ.
अगर वैसा कुछ एक्चुअली ढंग से अप्लाई हो सकता है तो फिर ठीक है. बिकॉज आई मीन, आई एम सॉरी, आई नो आई एम गोइंग ऑफ द थीम ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी, बट आज के दिन में वन ऑफ आवर फार्मर्स हैज कमिटेड सुसाइड बिकॉज वो अपनी बेटी को फोन खरीद के नहीं दे सकता
couldn't
था
get a
because
phone for
online
her.
lectures
Yeah,
थे.
yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Right.
So I mean, when it comes down to education, especially, like, I'm not talking about the corporate culture, I'm not talking about anything else. When it comes down to education, because again, it is blind obviousness that your education is the basis of how you turn out as a human.
Yeah.
So I mean, I feel like
Yeah.
everything else, the lockdown in itself, even if it is haphazardly planned, we can do with it.
Yeah.
Education can't happen like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
So yeah,
so I'm
Because like keeping away the academic factor of it, education is not only कि like textbook खोल के आप teacher जो पढ़ा रहे हो वो पढ़ रहे हो. Like when you socialize, when you meet new people, you talk to people,
Yeah.
share experience.
You mold
that's
as a
education at the end of
person.
the day. Exactly, it molds your personality.
Mm.
And एक point कि like we are in our 20s almost right now. So
I am 20.
when it sort of but like when you consider this for like kids कि जब हम like junior KG में थे या first standard में थे, तो that sort of peer pressure में भी कि बाकी like apart from me there are like 50 kids who are doing the
Yeah.
same thing, who are listening to the same person. ये matter करता था बहुत ज़्यादा for me to study at least. So वो aspect
Yeah.
पूरी तरह निकल जाएगा, तो there's very less motivation for the kid to concentrate on the like the teacher or the person who is
Yeah.
teaching him.
Exactly.
and you make friends, you learn how to make friends. Of course you make
Yes.
friends throughout your
Exactly.
life, but
Social skills.
yeah, but this is a
develop
place
as
where
well.
you learn how to make friends.
Mm.
Which is really important.
Yeah. So I think that online learning is. I don't think it is going to cut it. At least not for the people that have experienced normal schooling. But let's say that the kids
Yeah.
were just entering the junior KG now. For them, they don't have any experience of school.
Yeah.
So for them,
So-
this might be a positive thing in a way that you don't have to get up and you don't have to wear a uniform and go to school and spend 8 hours
Like,
there.
But
this
that
can be
still
the new
puts them at
normal.
the disadvantage of not developing
Yeah,
their social
yeah,
skills.
Yeah, but see ना,
Exactly.
that's what I'm saying, right? So वो सुबह उठ के यूनिफॉर्म पहन के स्कूल जाने का 8 घंटे का वो रूटीन निकल गया, ठीक है. You attend lectures for like 4 hours. You have the rest of the day to go out and learn other skills. Maybe you go and learn some musical instrument. You go and learn some photography. You go out and learn some sport. So it is giving people these kids more time to do something creative rather than अपने ऐसा नहीं था कि सुबह जाओ दोपहर को आओ फिर ट्यूशन जाओ फिर रात को आके सो जाओ.
Yeah.
So that
But like,
might
I
be
think-
अरे bro, I miss sports.
ओके
क्या?
सिद्धेश, कोई टेक्निकल खराबी की वजह से हम हमारा
नाता
my
सिद्धेश
English is
काय
bad
बोलते
somehow.
काय बोलते सिद्धेश
अरे, I was talking. I'm missing sports.
You're missing sport. Oh, right.
all of us
Yeah.
are.
Right, that makes sense, dude.
But
Ah,
like what
football.
I think about the whole situation is, अच्छा, बोल बोल, sorry, my bad. बोल.
Yeah, I'm just saying that कि it's monsoon, it's football time. We are sitting.
Yeah.
This is Lonavala weather.
Computer और PS पे FIFA खेल रहे हैं हम लोग.
हाँ,
Yeah.
Lonavala weather. We are supposed to be in Lonavala,
हाँ ना. Seriously.
not here at home.
बाथरूम से बेडरूम
और
ट्रैवल
40
कर.
करोड़.
Anyway,
Anyhow, so
coming-
what I was saying is कि जो point तूने ये क्या किया about like you can do some other activities as well apart from your academics. So
Yeah.
I mean, I don't see how correct I am, but I think this will just increase the quantitative aspect of it and not the qualitative aspect. That's what I think. You can just do
Elaborate.
more
That
things,
makes
but I
sense.
don't know कि कितने efficiently you can learn all those things. That's what I think.
No, I think we'll be able to
I
learn
don't know how I feel
learn those
about
things
that.
more efficiently because school के time पे the school is the focus. Those 8 hours are the like take
Yeah, the
up most of our
routine.
time. Yeah. So once
Yeah.
that is because I remember when I was in school, I used to juggle so many things. I used to juggle my sports, my class का regular periods, my tuitions and
Tuition भी था. Yeah,
exactly. So I'm just thinking कि if I had like 4 hours, you know, if I didn't have those 6
Extra.
hours of school, yeah, I could spend more time practicing in the nets. I could spend more time sleeping because it is proved that schools are starting way too early. Kids are just not.
But
They're just not.
online school
designed
is
to-
still not. Online school is still as extensive only. It's like 6 hours, 7 hours
But
only.
then, like,
Yeah.
the day I want to
But
sleep,
you don't
then I
have
can
to
just
go
take it
there.
like चली गई है ना.
See, it is not a. It
That
doesn't.
just
Be,
More
But-
like a. It's more
Travel
like a
time,
mental
na?
or
Yeah, but
like, what do you
it-
say?
there's also a shift in mentality. It's like you have to go
Okay,
somewhere.
that.
It's like a psychological
okay.
relaxation.
At the
That
same time, it
Okay.
is not
Gotcha.
wise to sit for 6 hours in front of a screen.
Yeah.
and
That is not the ideal.
yeah, and that institution of school, that school building, that goes out of the picture. So again, just like the office one, this is also quite subjective.
Sorry.
Coming back to
Mhm.
things that are like absolutely positive. One was how we are the vaccine thing that we are developing vaccines at such a fast rate. Another one would be the fact that we touched on this earlier that
Hygiene is elated
People
now.
are like
Exactly.
focusing more on
Yeah.
hygiene.
Yeah.
there's going to be a new normal after this. All of us are going to be wearing
Yeah.
masks everywhere. Even if
Hand
Corona becomes
sanitizers and
yeah,
shit.
even if Corona becomes thing of the past, we're still going to be wearing masks. We're still going to be carrying sanitizers everywhere. The fact that shopping malls and all will have these sanitizing things before we
Station.
Yeah.
before
System.
we are like able to get in the mall itself, and just I think that will just overall help us in keeping other conditions at bay as well, because of course more cleanliness will like keep us safer from
Only
more
be
diseases.
good.
Yeah.
Mm.
Also, one more like very positive thing that has come out of this particular like lockdown itself is that a lot of us have started exploring new creative outlets. And now I'm
Yes.
talking about this group specifically, or even just the people of like the people who are just locked inside their homes.
Yes.
You know, everybody for like a month or so was cooking insane shit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Remember
I mean,
Dalgona
Dalgona,
coffee? Anyone
Dalgona
remember?
coffee.
Eh.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why. I don't know
That
why. Is
was
it?
the
Resume,
thing.
everybody were whipping.
Yeah, I don't know if
Yeah.
this is just me or not, but Dalgona coffee feels like it was 10 years ago, and it was just in April.
I know,
And
right?
Also,
honestly,
I
I
mean-
don't even
God.
drink coffee. I tried that. I don't like
Also,
coffee.
I mean,
It
I
wasn't
didn't understand.
coffee, it's like
Friend, I was
drinking,
let me
eating
also
foam.
whip for 20 minutes.
Yeah, and also I didn't understand why people are doing it with a
When you
spoon.
taste
There's
the
like
difference.
electric.
Electric blender to do the thing for
Yeah,
you.
there's like whipping.
But not
mechanisms
all
and
of
shit
all
like
of them have. I did with a spoon. It was amazing.
that. I don't know.
Once I did it with
Anyway,
a spoon,
It
then I
took
lost my
me
patience.
20
So second
minutes.
time I did it with the blender.
But then,
Yeah.
like, so
When
yeah,
I
that's
heard
what.
people.
Go on,
Creative
Nidhi,
outlets,
Nidhi, go
right?
on.
Actually,
No. It was just dumb. Go on.
अरे बोल दे.
अरे नहीं मैं देखा वो 20 minutes I'll have to wait and then I was like I'm not doing this and I just never did because I'm too
I
lazy.
did that and didn't drink any of it because
I know,
it
I-
was so bitter.
No, I drank it.
I
It
didn't
upset my
like
tummy.
it. See?
That's just
अरे like I've
bad.
seen videos on YouTube. People are like, मतलब एक के बाद एक attempt करे जा रहे. I'm like इतना forearm strength आता किधर से?
Exactly.
Like my ये
Boys.
consistency
I
proper
haven't.
नहीं है. I'm like what the hell is wrong with you?
Boys, no.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
You
Of
stole
course
my
we do.
joke.
I mean, चल ना वो तो फिर भी समझ में आता है. And then now Rutvik has a YouTube channel. Bhavya has a YouTube channel. Saurav's
You
like,
have a
You
YouTube channel.
also
Alright, I also have a YouTube channel. Which is amazing. Yeah, so
Everything
shameless.
will be
Everybody,
linked in the description.
yeah, and everybody shameless plug right now. I run the channel called Sapiri Stories, which is also on Instagram under sapiri.online.
Online.
Right.
I know.
Rutvik has a
Huh?
channel that's called RV Says. जिसका Instagram मुझे याद नहीं है, वो ऋत्विक बताएगा.
Same
RV
RV
says ये.
RV Says. And Bhavya has a YouTube channel
I've-
called
Probably
probably
Bhavya.
Bhavya.
And the
you will find
Instagram
me
handle
everywhere
is-
with that name.
probably.
Probably Bhavya. Everywhere it is that, including
so.
my email ID. But I
So
was
there's no
saying
certainty in your
that,
life. You're probably everywhere.
exactly, I'm probably everywhere. I was saying, since the thing is that like new normal, I realized I don't need a lot of clothes to like I can live sustainably not having a lot of clothes, still looking good.
Yes.
Because I left my clothes in my hostel. I came here for like 3 days, so I have 3 pairs of
Oh.
t-shirts, and that's all. Rest
Oh
of my
my
wardrobe
God.
is in my hostel. I just learned how to style my clothes that I already have, like that's 3 t-shirts and 3 pants. So you don't need you realize you don't need a lot to
Yeah.
live comfortable life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least in the clothes matter.
We just
and the
want
other
a lot.
stuff.
I think we all
Yeah,
feel
it's
that
a
way,
want,
but
it's
there
not
is
a
this.
need.
It's just like social media pay. Oh, you have to buy new clothes when there's a
Ah.
sale. It's that
It's-
pressure that people give
No,
in.
it's not
पेट्रोल
even
का कितना
that.
पैसा भर गया यार?
It's not even that,
What?
right? I feel
अरे,
like it's-
Petrol ka, I've saved so much on McDonald's and pizza during this
exactly.
lockdown.
That's what I was going to say.
Yes.
That's what I was going to say.
Please.
I mean,
और रोज ना कॉलेज पे बाइक जाने का पेट्रोल भरने का पेट्रोल का बहुत पैसा बच गया मेरा.
dude, I mean, if I'm being honest, like, एक तो पेट्रोल का पैसा, because मैं हर जगह पे मेरी बाइक से जाता हूँ, and I mean, you can kind of see how I am towards my motorcycle. It's like a comfort thing.
He's sitting in his garage.
Not at all
Look.
obsessed with your bike.
Yeah, not at all. Just not at all. But anyway, so I mean, so petrol का पैसा बच रहा है, and I used to eat a lot of junk. I mean, I still
Yeah,
love to, but
same.
now that I haven't been doing it for 2 or 3 months, I realized
Yep.
that it's very easy. You know, just
It
I mean,
started
just
with a
not do
fear
it.
कि like
Exactly.
बाहर का खाने से कोरोना हो जाएगा शायद, and now it's like हाँ मतलब
नहीं खा
नहीं
रहे।
खा रहा है तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा कुछ खास ऐसा.
Exactly.
And I too learned the things that I wanted to eat, so it is good. I
Yeah.
make things I wanted to eat from home.
Yeah. Even I learned how to make like circular rotis and everything. So it is.
Wow.
Now you'll get a good
Circular
wife.
rotis, emphasis on
to
circular.
I make
Circular.
good wife.
Is anyone hearing me? Is anyone hearing
Yes,
me?
yes,
I
Yeah.
go on,
learned.
Yes,
Siddesh.
we do.
yes.
Can you hear me?
Ah,
Yes.
Siddesh, go on.
Yes, we can hear you. Bol.
I'm just bragging that I know how to make momos.
Same.
Oh, hey, by the way,
I don't like
I
Siddesh
can
also
make
has an
pasta.
Instagram. Siddesh also has an
Okay,
Instagram.
this is
Yummy
not a
Tummy.
flex competition. Can we?
Siddesh,
Because I don't know how to
You
make
got
a
Hold
nothing to
on,
momo.
guys.
flex. You got
Let
nothing to
Rohan
flex.
speak. Let
Guys,
Rohan
Sid-
speak.
Siddesh also has an Instagram that he runs with a friend of his. It's called Yummy Tummy. I think it's just Yummy Tummy. I don't think there's anything else. But उसका भी link description में होगा. उसको भी follow कर देना.
Why didn't I know? Why didn't I know of this?
Yeah,
First time I'm hearing of this.
same.
कब हुआ ये?
Fine.
This is news.
ये वो बोल रहा है
एक
it's
minute.
not his channel or page.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Such a big loss.
ये
Right.
edit
Anyway,
edit में
coming
निकालो.
back to the
Yeah, edit
podcast
में
itself.
निकालो.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's
So,
okay.
तुला कसं काय वाटलं मित्र असं की ते माझं चॅनल
अरे because तू भेजा था मेरे को and you were like dude is this nice this great like हाँ तेरा ही रहेगा
Moving on.
Lamau.
बोल के
So-
promote कर दिया already बहुत जगह पे
You just promoted a
But I
random dude's channel.
No, not. I am not. It's not someone's random channel.
Then is it yours?
it's
No.
Shreyas.
You guys know. Yeah, right. He was right.
Anyway,
Yes,
getting
no.
back to our topic.
Can we move on
yes,
to
actually,
coming
Yeah,
back?
let's get
Coming
back
back.
to the topic.
Yeah,
edit में
positive
इधर होएगा
things. So yeah, we
Yes.
which way we like stayed off our topic. So now we are like back in the zone. Back to the things that we were talking about, positive things. New normal. We are talking about new normal. Then we talked about how we have found different things to keep ourselves occupied, different creative things. I think so.
Right.
The other day we were discussing this. This touched on this point that this is related to what happened during the plague. As you know, a lot of people went from being traditional to having more scientific approach. Yeah.
Yeah.
Approach
So-
towards life.
Yeah. So it was with this. So anyway, so similar to that, right now all of us live in cities, right? We have a certain level of luxury. So why I say luxury with double quotes, it's that our luxury is being able to have something at a moment's notice.
Materialistic luxury.
Yeah, having things
Mm.
delivered to our place, having fancy restaurants to go and dine out at.
Mm.
But there are obvious downsides to living in cities. For example, the pollution level is just off the charts. The crime rate is much higher than what it is in the countryside. The population, there's just too many people. So there are just days that I'm like, why are there so many people?
नहीं, बाहर
Kill
निकलने को
them all.
बोर होता है कि गर्दी देख के हम लाइक मूड निकल जाए यार
Exactly.
चलो घर पे बैठो.
Train
Nidhi,
travel. Hello.
like death is pretty much what is happening right?
And all of this is escalated by the monsoon. I mean, पानी भरता है अपने आप पे, which is just worse.
हाँ ना.
That anyway.
Oh,
So the point is that after all this, and you know, so हमारे humans का ऐसा एक चीज है कि even if we know that something is a threat, we wouldn't take it seriously until it affects us directly. For example, ये corona was a thing
Climate
in
change.
Wuhan, China. अरे है चाइना में है कुछ तो हो रहा है होने दे.
December.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But once you went into lockdown,
That is
when
exactly what I said in
Yeah.
February.
yeah.
I
And
was
then-
like, ये तो China में India में
Not
करेगा.
even ये लोग का उधर चल रहा है
Who
अपने
said
कुछ
that?
नहीं
I
है.
did.
Don't be racist. Don't be
Any-
cheeny.
But he's talking about
He's talking in Hindi. Chinese people are called Chini.
चाइना तो
Yeah.
उधर
Oh,
चीनी.
is it? I thought it was sorry.
दिमाग
What
खराब कर रहा
the
है।
fucking train wreck, dude.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Anyway,
My
so
bad.
so
Anyway.
so all of that was like दूर देश का, but 22nd March को जब भी lockdown हुआ, that is when it hit us कि this shit is
Oh,
real
shit.
कुछ तो हुआ है,
This
कुछ
is
and
तो
it is
real.
here
हुआ
to
है।
stay. Yeah. So and this wasn't the first disaster of 2020. The first started off with the Australian bushfires.
World War
Yes.
III का, World War III
Yeah.
का।
Yeah,
No,
the
no, no,
World
no.
War
I
III.
Similar
always,
time.
I forgot
Anyway.
also Australia wildfire.
I'm talking about the natural disaster, the Australian wildfire. Then we have had
wildfires,
then we have had the big oil
Kobe
spill.
Bryant died.
cyclones.
Yeah, and then we had this big oil spill in Russia.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's like now we are seeing and these are all directly caused like of consequences of what humans have done to the environment. And now that we are
Right.
realizing no, we have done some really bad shit, and this is like
Really bad.
because of
Nature is
us.
like bus.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. So वो camera ऐसे से हो रहा है. Anyway, so so now that we know, now it's hitting us कि नहीं, climate change is a real thing. A lot of people might just have a thought कि what is the point of living in cities? I'm having all this luxury, but my camera is falling.
So-called
At what
luxury.
cost?
Yeah.
so
But Saurav's camera keeps falling.
Yeah. So is it like, is this luxury even worth it? I will just go and live
Yeah.
like my grandfather used to live in my village. I'll do farming for a living. I will just come to a city once a month, twice a month. I don't know. And of course, this is a privilege because only the people with money can make such a kind of decision that
Yeah.
live their lives and go to the
Yeah.
countryside. But it's still a viable option for a lot of people, right?
Right.
Especially anybody who's living in the city, man. I mean, it's a very, very much doable
And
thing.
for
It's a very
us, like going to village and like setting up our new lifestyle over there is sort of easier than what it is for them to hear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
और
Yeah.
अरे
बराबर
बट
है
ऐसा
देश।
भी नहीं है कि जाके पूरा लाइफस्टाइल वहाँ पे सेट करना जरूरी है. इट इज जस्ट लाइक अपने पूरे साल का 3 महीना बाजू में निकालो एंड जस्ट गो एट योर विलेज, स्टे देयर, एंजॉय दैट नेचर, एंजॉय दैट लाइफ एंड देन कम बैक टू सिटी, वर्क फॉर योर लिविंग. ऐसा
It's like
So basically, he's saying like
We have that.
detox की तरह.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Get a
अपने
life
पास वो
detox.
option है.
yeah,
Yeah.
but
But that
Yeah.
would sound very bizarre to people who actually live in village. Like you're just going for vacation in their place. Like
Yeah.
that's what money does. Like
I
you
mean-
stay
I
on a
mean,
vacation.
I mean, we go there, we look at people farming, and we're like, "अरे क्या मस्त है, देखने में मजा आ रहा है." But it is what they do for a living.
Exactly.
Right. अरे this happens like the corona thing भी ना अभी पूरा इसमें कि like many people from the city sides went to the countryside और वहाँ पे आके और कोरोना फैला रहे हैं. Like वो उधर
हाँ.
शांति से है तो रहने दो उनको, उनका जिंदगी को बर्बाद कर
That's just.
That was just bad this thing, planning and
Management on the government's part.
functioning,
Yeah.
Let me
रहे
talk.
हैं. And the selfishness.
Okay,
people.
let's
Let him talk.
Siddesh is protesting now.
Siddesh.
So this is how our corona plan went. जब वुहान में चालू हुआ उसके बाद में अपने यहाँ पे आया. So what our government did, instead of quitting air travel, they firstly imposed curfew, जिसके वजह से इधर के लोग घूमना बंद हो जाए. उसके बाद में लॉकडाउन हुआ. उसके बाद में उन लोग ने स्टेट का ट्रेवल्स बंद किया. पागल लोग सब उल्टा किया इन लोग ने. उधर से करना चाहिए था ना कि
That was a very genuine
Marcus
reaction.
is going to be taken down by the government soon. So might be our last episode, guys.
Come haters.
See you again. Hopefully.
No,
like
so see, I'm not defending the government, yes, Siddesh, but this is a new thing for all of us, even the government.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं कि there
No
is
one
a-
knew how to handle this.
there's no crash course for this. People
Yeah.
always bring up the example of New Zealand. New Zealand has a population of fucking 6 million. Mumbai's population is 3 times of New Zealand, the country. So just you cannot compare these
What?
things.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Yeah.
Our city is thrice as populated as the entire country of New Zealand.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
And
That
that's
is
not
so
something to
wild.
be proud of.
Yeah, and
Exactly.
sure.
But
and
They are not
no,
proud.
so that's
I'm
so
just
that's
like, wow.
so that's what I'm saying. Ki, look at all the countries that have big populations. Okay, it's
They're not
it's
They
doing
been
are at
really
the
well.
top
yeah because and we have some of the
because they are
lowest
so much.
rates in the world. But of course, that is just
yeah,
down to but that might be down to lack of testing. We don't know, but it's still like
Yeah.
it's still not as bad as it could have been. It could have been much,
yeah.
Hmm.
much, much worse. So
Mm.
the
अरे
thing
at
is,
the same time, looking at the number of cases,
Uh,
हाँ, so मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि the countries having better medication facilities are doing more number of checkups. That's why there is this huge numbers.
so
Look at
obviously, na,
USA.
so see, USA is another story altogether, which I don't want to talk about. But then that's the
Yeah,
thing, right? If you have better medical facilities, you can
test more and
you
more
can
people.
make space. Yeah, you can make space for people to sit down and get tested. You can
Yeah.
afford those test kits for people to get tested. The
For
problem here
example,
is that we also have a very good medical system, to be very honest. A lot of
yeah,
people from outside this country come here just to get treatment.
yeah,
But
it's just
then
the scale of it, the sheer
population,
numbers of it. Yeah,
yeah.
Number
I
है
mean,
man.
I mean, like I'll just give an example, one more, like to have some perspective. At this point, I think if correct me if I'm wrong, okay. So the last I remember, this was I think 2 weeks ago. At that time, we were doing around 1.2 lakhs tests per day as the like overall India, mein, 1.2 lakh
Okay.
per day. During the height of the pandemic in Germany, they were doing I think 500,000 tests. So
Oh,
which is 5 lakhs.
Wow.
So of course
5 lakhs.
Germany, a developed country, a
Yeah.
vastly smaller population, of course.
Population.
But still, the only way of keeping this in control is testing and isolating, right? So
Yeah,
it's not that our country doesn't want to do this. We just probably don't have the medical capabilities of doing it.
Yeah.
So they are just doing
Resources.
they are just doing the only thing that is possible, which is imposing lockdowns, which haven't been imposed
Mm.
very strictly. That I agree with Siddesh, but that is just what they are doing. Ki just imposing lockdowns, and वहाँ पे there also is a point to be made about the responsibility of people. You have to be responsible yourself of not going out. Of course,
Yes.
just
Which people here aren't.
just a few thousand policemen are not going to be able to control a city of 18 million. 18 million. So it is a two-way street. We have to comply as well,
Yeah.
and the government have to do certain things. We cannot just keep throwing shit at one another. कि government ने गंदा किया,
Yeah.
and government will like तू लोग घूम रहा है बाहर. So no one is basically a winner here. Everyone's losing. It's a lose-lose
Yeah.
situation for all of us. So I
anyway,
think
we're going towards Corona again
yeah.
instead of positives.
Yeah.
And I
So
reply here, Mundar.
so a lot of people just might have a drastic change in their lifestyles when this gets over. They'll be like climate change हो रहा है, pollution बढ़ रहा है. What there is no luxury. There is no luxury in living in a city anymore. Let me just pack up, get all my shit, and let me invest in some. Like let me have a
Business
stable
in
let me have a stable source of
yeah.
income in the city, but let me have all my family and my living place primarily
in
in my at a
in a
countryside, you know.
village.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So and I think that will be a good thing because a lot of us might even do that, and once the less and less people start moving into cities, we might actually have a handle on how many people there are, because ऐसे नहीं है कि हर रोज 1,000 लोग आ रहे हैं, population बढ़ते जा रहा है. But there is the resources just cannot catch up to the people that are arriving in a city every single day. So once that rate goes down, we'll be able to manage cities better.
Pretty efficiently.
Yeah. So I think that will be a big positive. I think so.
Obviously.
At the same time, talking specifically about Mumbai, It wasn't a planned city. So
Yeah.
if this happens, if we go back to our villages, if people go back to their villages and do that, what you said, maybe our authority can get time to redesign it entirely.
The redesign the functioning, obviously not tear the whole city down and build it up again,
Yeah, of
but like
course.
Mm.
Just
Functioning.
subtle changes which will make a big difference, of course.
functioning is very hard.
And people of Mumbai make it work, like with how trains are, like
Yeah.
how they are working at like 10 times its capacity, and people do it every day, and they complain also, but like it's working. Like so
Yeah,
people
it's
Obviously,
adjust
nahi, nahi.
themselves.
It's not working. We are making it work, but the thing is that
Yeah.
this is a bad thing about us, is that we don't
Yeah,
complain enough.
But
yeah,
then
Mm.
again, like I feel like, see, that's the thing about a city like Mumbai, right? A majority of the people that come here to work, right? So
Hmm.
when I'm here to work, I just make do with whatever there is. I don't want everything to be perfect. Since like I know half my salary is going towards the rent and the other half is going back to my family. So
Hmm.
I don't give a shit about what my house looks like. I don't give a shit whether I have to travel in a crowded train. As long as I get to the
Hmm.
office, because this is not my home. And
Yeah,
like,
Hmm.
I'm sorry, but this is the reality for a lot of people.
yeah, exactly. So,
Yeah.
but let's talk about the natives, right? Let's talk about the people who actually live here with the families and all. So,
Hmm.
um, let's just take the example of monsoon right now. Every single year, the city gets flooded after not even a huge amount of rain, a mediocre amount of rain for a couple of days. The city is underwater. What do
Hmm.
we do?
Roads.
What do the citizens of Mumbai do?
So we
They
work with it. We sit and complain like
No,
during
no, no,
red
no, no, no.
lights, and then
Forget about complaining. That is our right to do. We should be able to complain about this. But what do? We are okay with it. We're like, अरे हर साल का है, चला लेंगे ये साल भी, अगले साल भी चला ही लेंगे.
Hmm.
So unless and until
Hmm.
we stop putting up with this shit, this is not going to change, because unlike this pandemic where the government didn't have any time to prepare or didn't have any prior experience, the city has been getting flooded for fucking 100 years. You still don't have any plan to fix this shit. Why are we still using the sewer system majority in the city, which was designed by the fucking colonizers?
Hmm.
I mean, we see that is obviously
The
one thing where
the biggest problem is that we we see the news media, we see the politicians always talking about the spirit of Mumbai. The spirit of Mumbai is a fucking disgrace to the city of these people, because it is just a farce for us putting up with shit that we shouldn't have to.
yeah,
Put
I
him
mean,
up with.
Yeah.
I feel like that's what it's turned into now. The spirit of the people was always how we in this crowded space also were happy. We were together. That was what
Hmm.
the spirit of this place was, at least for me personally, because
Hmm.
I know I mean I come from a place of privilege as a guy, but then like I know that I can get out of the house at 12 a.m. and just ride around town, and I just, if something is to go wrong, I know somebody will help me. That was the
yeah,
spirit of this city. But now, see, the thing about this is politics is always going to be bad. It's always going to be
Yeah.
corrupt. Unless and until you have the moral, like the people on the highest pole of morality, you know,
Hmm.
volunteering for politics. That is the only time when you have like properly functioning and not like corruption-free politics and politicians, which is I think is very high, very much unlikely to happen ever.
Whew.
So yeah, I mean,
Spirit of Mumbai basically has been taken for granted a lot.
Yeah.
it's been manipulated. And secondly, see,
Hmm.
the thing is, it is always going to be so. Now the thing is, what I feel is the where the changes come in is, just saying it out loud. Ki, I know you're corrupt. I know you're taking money. I know you're full of shit. I don't mind. Take money, but get the fucking job done. Because I mean, like, see, if I'm being honest, all of us have been paying these people. Right? I'm not saying all politicians are corrupt, but then whether we like it or not, we are paying the ones that are corrupt, right? So
Like basically the
I mean,
ratio of corrupt and non-corrupt is very bad.
it is bad, and we have been like a part in it. We have been playing a part in it. So why stop now? You know, I'm not saying कि तू पैसा मत ले. I'm not saying कि तेरे को 100 करोड़ का टेंडर चाहिए ना ले ले. But
Make
then
it
रास्ता
work.
ढंग का
Make
बना
it
ना.
work. Yeah, exactly.
3 महीने मतलब 3 बारिश के बाद मेरे को वापस गाड़ी नहीं बोलने है. मतलब गाड़ी shouldn't drown in the fucking road. It's a road. Make it like a road. ठीक है, then तू खा ना पैसा.
And it's embarrassing that the same spots get flooded over and over again.
Yes.
Every monsoon. The same fucking spot. It's not like isolated pockets. It's West Eastern Express Highway gets
Main
flooded.
roads, highways, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, dude. Which
And
is
not
which is
and not
actually
flooded like itna pani nahi. It's like knee high, thigh,
पूरा
पूरा
हाँ.
waist high pani. मतलब it's just not.
waste
And
है थोड़ा हो गया, but like I
नहीं, there is waist high water. There are
express
places.
पे थोड़ी है क्या?
Express बोला तो नहीं अभी. Express Highway, Eastern Express Highway.
फर्स्ट फ्लोर
Yeah.
बिल्डिंग से
that क्या है? That
Yeah.
obviously
अरे
मुंबई में वैसा बहुत spot.
Sion is always like wasteland and
The
water.
other TT
Yeah,
circle
Sion.
always gets
Sion.
flooded.
Sion literally खड्डा है. तो मतलब Sion is literally like that
So
in the city.
Yeah.
so I'm not saying that people should stop helping each other. Of course, that is not going to go, and people should help each other. But it is not an excuse for the government to assume that everything is okay just because people are helping each other. It's the government's
Yeah.
job to help people.
It's
and
your
not people's
job.
job to help
Do
people.
not make it hard for us.
Exactly.
दैट वाज हेवी
But
This
it
took
needs
a turn. This conversation took a turn.
It's
from
okay.
pandemic.
I mean, we did cover the positive aspects, and we are going to keep talking about them. But
Yeah.
this is just the thing that we are all experiencing right now with the monsoon, because it has been
Yes.
raining
And I
for
mean,
like
so
2 days straight now.
and I mean, so like if some even to
And
some
like already
people when they
काफी
watch
सारे
this,
areas में पानी भर चुका है. It's been
and I
raining for
mean,
3 days.
see, I mean, to a lot of people who watch this, it might feel like कि हम लोग अभी भी कमरे में बैठ कर बस complain कर रहे हैं about the city. तो let me ask you this, कि अभी लॉकडाउन है, तुम लोग घर पे अटके हो और मानसून आ रहा है. मेंटल प्रिपरेशन तुम लोगों ने भी करके रखा है कि हाँ यार अब तो रास्ते बुड़ेंगे, हाँ यार अब तो कीड़े होंगे, हाँ यार अब तो बाहर जाना बद से बदतर होने वाला है. इसका कुछ एक्सटेंट तक मेंटल प्रिपरेशन एज एन ऑडियंस आपने, ये मैंने बोलने से पहले करके रखा है.
Right.
Which is like, and I mean, चलेगा. If you can prove me wrong, please prove me wrong. I'd love to learn from you all. But then, isn't if what I said is happening, isn't that sort of like a point where we stop and think कि यार कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है, कुछ तो मतलब होना चाहिए इसके बारे में. Obviously, I say that होना चाहिए. इसके बाद मतलब the max I can do is maybe vote somebody else who is hopefully less corrupt.
And speaking of
But then-
complaining is our right.
It's
Yeah.
just like you said. It's like not even about corruption. It's
More people
like,
need to
just
complain.
get the fucking job done, man.
Not enough people are complaining. That is the problem.
Right.
And even if people are complaining, it's not like अरे क्या चुकता है government, ऐसा नहीं. Complaining as in sign petitions, do things, go protest. Let them see कि the people are unhappy. ऐसे नहीं कि घर बैठ के
Yeah.
चार लोग में बैठ के बात कर लिया हो गया.
TV के सामने गाली दे रहे. That's like
We are
there's no
we are
point
used
of
to
it.
being treated so bad कि it's like normal for us, you know, like
Yeah,
हाँ, ये तो
it's
हर साल
exactly.
होता है.
It's like अपना तो आम आदमी तो है ही नहीं, चुत्ते आम आदमी.
This thing happened with me last year. Like this sort of funny, but then I don't know it should be funny or not. Last year मेरे car का जो suspension होता है, that was like completely wrecked. So I went to the service center and I told them कि ऐसा ऐसा है. So he quoted me something like 12 or 13,000. I got the work done, but then वहां पे जाने का रोड इतना बुरा था. Like the showroom guy was complaining like sir आधे गाड़ी का तो ये रोड पे सस्पेंशन खराब हो सकता है कि like इतना बेकार रोड है. And like me, my father and the guy started laughing. I was like, what the fuck is this?
So I mean,
That's how funny it is, you know, like in car ka ads they show,
And-
you know,
and
like
it's-
the fast chalta hai, and then like you look at the roads
Like
here
to
and I'm
road
like,
dekh.
kaun se duniya mein?
To road देख.
and all of this is funny. We are laughing. This is supposed to be tragic things. We are laughing at them.
Yeah.
That is
know.
that is the level that we've been
That's humor.
That is the level that we've been desensitized to.
Yeah, but then aren't we all nihilistic to begin with? I mean, there's a fucking pandemic going on, and we don't honestly care. We know to wear masks and gloves, and that's all it is. Hand sanitizer खरीद लिया, वो लगा भी रहा है. ठीक है, अब चलने दो. अब मर गए तो मतलब अब just now we have to function as we do.
Well, at least we're doing
we
the
are already at
responsible
that
thing,
point,
right?
so.
At least we're doing a responsible
obviously.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Which more people
obviously.
should.
Now, also,
All of us should, in fact.
yeah, all of us. But then we are nihilistic.
Yeah. Approach to
People
life.
with a very weird sense of humor to begin with. And I'm speaking about this as an entire generation. When I say we as an entire generation, all of us are just there, not really caring.
But yeah, coming back.
Anyway,
Yeah.
awkward silence.
Oh, that was a long fucking detour, man.
No,
I know,
actually,
right?
I'm coming to the conclusion because I think this has been quite a while now, and 1 hour maybe. I don't know.
About 10 o'clock.
So the point. So we have talked about a lot of things in this particular podcast, but the gist of it is that this is going to pass. I can't promise that the flood is going to pass and the sewer system is going to be amazing overnight. But what I can promise is that this pandemic will end one day, and it will give rise to some things that will change humanity.
Something positive, something good,
Yeah.
something hopeful.
And it will change humanity for the better, for eternity.
Some
We
other
don't
way.
know. Yeah. And so rather than just, of course, it's easy to say, but just try this thing. Rather than thinking about when is this going to end and how it's going to affect us, अरे मेरे मीटिंग में केस कब आएगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. Just think that this will end and look forward to the things that we're going to get from this. Even if this thought is proven wrong, just this thought that something good is going to happen is going to keep your anxiety levels at check.
Right.
So even if this belief doesn't actually materialize into anything, it will at least keep you sane.
Right.
And right now that seems to be the best that we can do, is be sane.
Or that should be at least the priority, like to be
Yeah.
mentally stable.
Yes.
Take
Because
care
many
of your
people are
mental
like-
health.
Exactly.
Yeah,
you should
take care of your
mental health.
family. Call up your
Loved ones.
loved ones. Call up your
Friends,
grandfather,
Friends.
grandmother. Yeah, just keep an eye on them, how they are doing. Let them know ki they are not alone, because it does feel like
lot
you're
of-
all of us are alone in our rooms.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
So
And like, just rather than thinking about how bad the situation is or how fucked up we are right now, just think about what you can do with the time you have right now and what you will be doing after like everything is done. So at least
Yeah.
like how Saurabh said,
And-
it will be like positive for you.
and the good things that are going to come out of this.
Yeah,
Exactly.
exactly.
Look forward to the things that will happen after this.
Yeah, I guess we are getting to the conclusion of it. So,
Yeah. So like
to
with
end
that,
it, I mean,
go on.
go.
Yeah, I was saying with that, I think that is a good note to end this on. But you were saying something.
I mean, I was about to get to the ending of it.
Go on. Get to the ending.
So that brings us to the end of this podcast. So guys, please remember, don't go out if possible, and if you have to go out, maintain social distancing, wear a mask,
6
wear
feet.
gloves, 6 feet, and carry hand sanitizers. Don't
Follow
order
all
this
the rules
shit
basically
online.
and don't be an asshole.
Yeah, and don't do drugs, because why not?
Drugs are bad. Okay?
Yeah.
And
That
like if
being
you
said-
guys
No,
want to talk to anyone, if you can't talk to anyway, if you guys want to talk to us, I'm wrecked.
Agar
Sorry guys.
if you guys feel like you want to talk to anybody and like you feel like you want to talk to us specifically, we'll have all our personal Instagrams, all our creative Instagrams, this channel's
Link in the
Instagram,
description.
and
Text
YouTube's in
karo
the
humko
description.
if you feel like talking.
Yes.
Yeah.
And take care of yourself and everyone around
yes,
you.
and your
Yeah.
mental health.
And mental as well.
This is going to pass.
Yeah.
This shall pass.
And we will guys see you.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys. See you
Peace.
guys soon. Bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
That was so awesome.